So, market growth rate at saka market mechanics. So, yung market growth rate is yung paglago ng benta ng isang product based dun sa isang customer base. Halimbawa, kung ang customer mo puro mga college students, ang product mo is yung mga supplies nila, yung mga gamit nila sa school, kahit na anong course. So, pag lumago yung sales mo, na sila yung customer mo, ang tawag doon is market growth rate. So, yun minaminus mo lang yung increase minus yung original divided by the original. Since percentage yan, times mo lang sa 100. So, example ng mbaschool.com, halimbawa, meron kang 8 billion na meron ka, ang increase mo is 8 billion. Ang original mo is 6 million. Divided by mo do sa original which is 6. So, 8 minus 6 is 2 over 6. 2 over 6 pagka in-express mo as percentage yun, 2/6 or 1/3 is equal to 33.33%. So, meron kang increase na 33.33%. So, yung market mechanics naman, yun yung laws that govern or laws that a market system follows. For instance, yung law of supply and demand, which is yung pinaka-fundamental. So, yung example na yung law of supply and demand, yun yung market mechanics na tinatawag. So, yun yung importanteng malaman natin kasi naririnig lang natin sa inyo, law of supply and demand, ini-explain siya kung ano yung definition yan. So, hindi natin alam na technically yan yung market mechanics. Meron pa nga yung law of diminishing return. Market mechanics din yan. Basta any law that governs yung takbo ng isang market o ng isang industry. So, yun yung mga importanteng malalaman natin ngayong araw na to. So, yun lang po.